Ever wish your bank account had more zeros? You're not alone. In today's world, almost everyone dreams of financial freedom, of waking up to see your balance growing, not shrinking. The good news? That dream is more possible than ever before, thanks to the internet. The internet is a digital gold mine, and most people are just scrolling past it. Every day, billions of dollars move online, through content, services, and ideas. But while many people use the internet just for entertainment, a growing number are using it to build real wealth. Imagine getting paid for the content you love to make, right from your bedroom. Whether it's videos, blogs, art, or even sharing your thoughts, there are endless ways to turn your creativity into cash. You don't need a fancy studio or expensive equipment to get started. Every day, people turn their hobbies and personalities into real careers online. From gamers streaming to thousands, to artists selling prints, to podcasters building loyal communities, there's a place for every passion. The internet has leveled the playing field, making it possible for anyone to shine. You don't need a degree or a rich uncle, just a phone, internet, and an idea. The barriers to entry have never been lower. If you have a message, a skill, or a story, you can share it with the world and get paid for it. The internet rewards passion and consistency. It's not about being perfect from day one, it's about showing up, learning, and improving over time. The more you put in, the more you get out. If you enjoy what you do and stick with it, you can build an audience. People are drawn to authenticity and enthusiasm. When you share your journey, your wins, and even your struggles, you connect with others who want to support you. Where there's an audience, there's money to be made. Brands want to reach engaged communities, and fans are willing to support creators they love. From sponsorships to merchandise to direct payments, the opportunities are endless. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about smart work and a real plan. Success online takes effort, strategy, and patience. But with the right approach, you can build something that lasts. The first step? Picking your niche, the foundation of your online empire. Your niche is what sets you apart and attracts your ideal audience. It's where your passion meets opportunity. Get this right and you're playing to a sold-out stadium. Your message resonates, your audience grows, and your income follows. Get it wrong, and you're talking to an empty room. But don't worry, finding your niche is a process, and you can always adjust as you learn. Let's make sure you're set up for success. In the next steps, we'll break down how to choose your niche, grow your audience, and start making real money online. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. I started as a teenager with a clunky computer and terrible mic, dreaming of YouTube. My first videos? Awkward and messy, but I loved every second. That excitement is what gets you through the tough early days. Starting a channel is chaotic, but you're the boss. You decide what to create. Want to review every instant noodle? Build a Lego Eiffel Tower? Go for it. The magic is in connecting with people. Your first comment, your first subscriber. You're not just making content, you're building a community. Your community will cheer you on, give you ideas, and support you. There will be times you feel stuck or imperfect. That's normal. Every creator has been there. The secret is not to quit. Remember why you started. It's fun, you're passionate, and your voice matters. Now let's find your audience. Let's talk numbers. YouTube has nearly 3 billion active users. That's almost half the internet, all watching videos every month. Your audience isn't just your town, it's the world. Even if 0.001% of YouTube's audience watched your video, that's 30,000 views. The old gatekeepers are gone. You have the platform, what will you say? But you can't appeal to everyone. If you try, you'll end up generic and forgettable. You want to be the spicy, unforgettable cracker, not plain and boring. Find your corner of the internet and own it. No matter how niche your interest, your people are out there. There are channels for everything. Restoring pens, lawn mowing, bread history. Your job is to plant your flag and let your audience find you. Don't be intimidated, be excited. How do you pick your niche? It's one of the most important decisions you'll make as a creator, and it can feel overwhelming at first. But don't worry, finding your perfect niche is a process, not a one-time event. It's about discovering where your interests, talents, and what the world wants all come together. It's a mix of 3 things: passion, skill, and demand. Think of it like a recipe. You need all the right ingredients to make something truly special. First, what are you passionate about? What topics make you light up, or what could you talk about for hours without getting bored? Passion is your fuel. It's what keeps you going when things get tough, and it's what makes your content feel alive and authentic. If you don't love it, you'll burn out. No matter how trendy a topic is, if it doesn't excite you, it'll start to feel like a chore. Your audience can sense when you're not genuinely interested. So, make a list of everything you love, big or small. Don't filter yourself. Write down hobbies, interests, even things you're just curious about. Maybe it's gaming, cooking, cars, science, art, travel, or even something quirky like collecting rare plants. The more honest you are, the better. Second, what are you good at, or what are you willing to get good at? You don't have to be a master from day one, but you should be excited to learn and improve. Maybe you're a natural teacher, a storyteller, or you love solving problems. Or maybe you're just really curious and love diving deep into new topics. Skills can be developed over time, so don't count yourself out if you're just starting. You don't need to be an expert, just committed to learning and sharing your journey. In fact, people love following creators who are growing and learning in real time. Documenting your progress, your wins and struggles can be a niche in itself. Your authenticity will inspire others. Third, what are people searching for? This is where research comes in. Use tools like Google Trends to see what's gaining traction, or check YouTube's search bar and trending pages to spot what's popular right now. Look for gaps, topics people want but aren't being covered well. The jackpot is where your passion, your skills, and real audience demand overlap. That's your sweet spot, the place where you can thrive and stand out. Take your time with this step, don't rush it. This is the foundation of your channel, and a strong foundation sets you up for long-term success. A good niche attracts the right viewers, people who are genuinely interested and will keep coming back for more. They'll become your biggest supporters. But a bad niche is like fishing in a desert. No matter how great your content is, if there's no audience for it, you'll struggle to grow. When you find that sweet spot, you'll feel a sense of excitement and clarity. You'll thank yourself later for putting in the effort now. Your niche is your magnet. It draws in the right people and helps you build a loyal audience who truly cares about what you create. Build your niche with intention, and you'll watch your community grow into something amazing, one passionate viewer at a time. Does your niche affect your income? Absolutely. Some niches, like finance, tech, and real estate, pay more because advertisers spend more. But don't pick a niche just for the money. If you hate it, your content will flop. Gaming is fun, but crowded and lower paying, yet top gamers earn millions through sponsorships and merch. Tech channels get free products and big sponsorships. Cooking channels can sell cookbooks or gadgets. Every niche has a path to monetization. Think beyond ad revenue. Ask, what problems does my audience have? What can I offer them? Fun niches can be profitable if you're creative. Don't chase CPM, build a business you're excited about. Balance passion and profit for long-term success. The biggest creators don't just pick a niche, they become it. Think Mark Rober for science, Mark A. Brownlee for tech. Their names are their brands. Your goal: make your channel the go-to in your space. Infuse your personality into everything. Are you funny, analytical, chaotic? Lean in. Don't copy others. Your unique personality is your superpower. Consistency is key. Show up for your audience regularly. Quality beats quantity. One great video a week is better than 7 mediocre ones. As you brainstorm your niche, also brainstorm your brand. What's your angle? What makes you different? Maybe you're the budget gamer or the 5-ingredient chef. Find your unique twist and own it. Don't blend in. Stand out, be yourself, and build your legacy. That's how you go from channel to legend. This is hard work. There's no shortcut, no magic formula. Just you, your ideas, and the hours you put in when no one's watching. The late nights, the early mornings, the moments when you wonder if it's all worth it. Some days, you'll spend hours editing for just a handful of views. You'll pour your heart into a project only to see it barely make a ripple. It can feel like shouting into the void, hoping someone, anyone will hear you. You'll see others grow faster and doubt yourself. It's easy to compare your journey to theirs and feel like you're falling behind. Most people quit here, convinced they're not cut out for it. But every successful creator has faced this wall. They've all had moments of doubt, setbacks, and failures. What sets them apart is that they kept going, even when it felt impossible. You have to want it more than anyone else. You have to be willing to push through the exhaustion, the frustration, and the uncertainty. That's what separates the dreamers from the doers. While others relax, you're learning, creating, and improving. You're sacrificing comfort now for the chance to build something meaningful later. Every late night and early morning is an investment in your future self. Every video, even the flops, is a lesson. Every mistake is a stepping stone. The setbacks teach you more than the successes ever could, if you're willing to learn from them. Focus on your system, not just your goals. Build habits that make you better every day. The process is what will carry you through the tough times, not just the promise of a big result. Don't obsess over subscriber counts, obsess over making one great video at a time. Pour your energy into the work itself, and let the numbers follow. Improve by 1% every day. Small, consistent progress adds up. It's not about giant leaps, but steady steps forward, day after day. Small efforts compound into something huge. Over time, those tiny improvements become the foundation of your success. Growth is slow at first, but it accelerates if you keep going. It's like building a pyramid. Slow at first, but eventually, you create something incredible. Each brick, each video, each lesson adds up to something you can be proud of. The reward, freedom, impact, and the joy of doing what you love. You get to wake up excited, knowing you're building your own path. The messages from viewers, the skills you gain, those are priceless. The connections you make and the growth you experience are worth every late night. When the grind gets tough, remember what you're fighting for. You can do this. Don't quit. The journey is hard, but the reward is real, and it's waiting for you on the other side of persistence. We've covered a lot. Opportunity, picking your niche, balancing fun and profit, and becoming the niche. You should be fired up and full of ideas. By reading this, you've already taken the first step. Next, you need to learn how to make videos people want to click and watch. Titles, thumbnails, storytelling, these are skills you can learn. That's what we'll cover next. If you're serious about building your online presence, subscribe so you don't miss the next part. Check the description for free resources and my favorite starter videos. Thank you for spending this time with me. And always listen and watch for the next video from The Perfect Opportunity, the spot where we help you win. Don't forget the description area. I'm excited for what you'll build. Go make something awesome. I'll see you in the next one.